Just 8 hours of social isolation can result in decreased energy and increased fatigue levels in some individuals, which is equivalent to going without food for 8 hours, according to a new study. This suggests that our bodies naturally reduce energy levels in response to a lack of social contact. Since humans are social creatures, social isolation can have a profound impact on our energy levels. It is well known that everyone needs food. If we don't eat for a long time, our bodies respond with a series of biological processes that create the craving sensation typically known as hunger. Beyond just sustenance, as a social species, we also need other people to survive. Scientific evidence shows that when we don't see others for a long time, it induces a craving response in our brains comparable to hunger, motivating us to reconnect. One theory, known as the social homeostasis hypothesis, suggests the existence of a dedicated homeostatic system in charge of autonomously regulating the human need for social contact. However, modern science understands very little when it comes to the psychological responses to social isolation. It's also unclear how these findings may translate to social isolation experienced during daily life, including the unique context of the COVID-19 lockdowns. To investigate the effects of social isolation, scientists conducted a study involving 30 female volunteers who were isolated for 8 hours without social contact or food, and 87 participants who were isolated during COVID-19 lockdowns. The results showed that social isolation induced similar results to food deprivation, such as decreased energy levels and heightened fatigue. Participants who lived alone during the COVID-19 lockdowns and were generally more sociable reported lower energy on days they were in isolation. The researchers theorized that an extended lack of social contact could have even more detrimental effects. Although spending time alone may be beneficial for some people, further research is necessary to investigate the associations in more extensive and diverse groups of participants.